So how to make an account in CoverStar app. So yeah, when you just try to make an account, you will see this, sign up for CoverStar. And then, yeah, you can just, there are three options basically. You can just tap continue with Apple, continue with Google, or sign in with username. And then basically, if I just tap sign in with username, you need to enter a username and password. To be honest, I don't know how do you create a password here. So what I did, I just tap sign in with Apple, and then yeah, like you just need to confirm, and then yeah, then there you have it. You just created your account super fast, super easy. Like, because I already created my account before, so I just signed in. I didn't need to set up my username, all of these things. So yeah, I actually don't know if you can change your username or things like that. You can always reach out to their support. But there you have it.